Robots come in many shapes and sizes. But, perhaps, the most intriguing, endearing, and acceptable are the ones that resemble us, humans. Today I have something to share with you. It is all about the 5 most advanced robot in the world. Have you ever heard about this? Well, let's talk about that, but before we start, if you have interest in this kind of topic, please click subscribe and hit the bell notification to keep you updated on my uploaded videos. Let's get started. Number 5, Digital Humanoids. Digital human beings look and act like humans but are entirely virtual. One example is Samsung Technology and Advanced Research, SDAR, Labs Neons, AI-powered beings with unique personalities and looks. These artificial humans are not designed to answer any questions like Alexa or Siri, but are supposed to show emotions, learn from experiences, and have real conversations. Number 4, Research Humanoid. Mechanical engineers at the Iranian University of Tehran have been working on Serena robots since 2010. Their latest model, Serena 4, is an adult-size humanoid that is reportedly capable of face and object detection, speech recognition and generation, and can walk with a speed of 0.7 kilometers per hour. It has 43 degrees of freedom and its dexterous hands can grip many different shapes. Number 3, Delivery Robot. In January, it was announced that Ford became the first customer to incorporate Agility Robotics Digit into a factory setting. The headless humanoid has nimble limbs and is packed with sensors. It can navigate the stairs, various obstacles, and all kinds of terrains. It can balance on one foot, but usually it walks upright and is strong enough to pick up and stack boxes weighing up to 40 pounds. It can also fold itself for compact storage. Number 2, Robotic Ambassador. Perhaps the most recognizable face of humanoids is that of Sophia, a social humanoid developed by Hong Kong-based Hanson Robotics. In 2020, the AI-powered 4-year-old robot is going to continue her role as a robotic ambassador, helping to advance research into robotics and human-robot interactions. Number 1, Robotic Avatar. Initially introduced by Toyota in 2017, the THR-3 is a humanoid robot that mimics the movements of its human operator, like a real-world avatar. Updated for Tokyo Olympics, the THR-3 has improved controls and can walk more naturally. Envisioned as a mobility service, in the future these humanoids will be able to perform surgeries while their operators, human doctors, will be controlling them from another part of the world. I hope you enjoy this video as much I've enjoyed making and sharing it. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more like this in the future. Thank you for watching.